So I am, for the first time, speechless, but not. I came in here with 1,001 possibilities of questions. Initially, I was grabbing for the one that would get me here. And then it started evolving to the one that would actually
move the message forward.
Yes.
That's what we're waiting for.
So, building upon everything that we've had so far, I'm an actor.
Which is always the way that it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Everything that has been is the precursor to what's coming. That's really what we call pre-paving. Yeah.
It's like a double-decker hamburger with cheese and so on. Anyway, you talked about before about, you've touched upon some, when an actor gets a role, I guess what I'm trying to ask is, there's a fine line, at least from my understanding, of trying to stay in the good emotions. Try to expand that emotion in order to be able to keep connected to source, right? You said that there's always stumbling blocks, but that's only to create contrast. In regards to playing a role, many times I hear people, and I include myself, trying to avoid negative emotions. But from what I'm hearing today, nothing really is a negative emotion as we interpret it. Nothing is like that evil thing.
Negative emotion is guidance.
Correct. So my question is...
And negative emotion often leads to clarity.
Absolutely.
And clarity is decision, determination. And decision, determination is alignment with desire, which is empowerment.
Absolutely. Because one of the things that was happening with me was I was splitting in regards to... I remember the first time that I decided to be an actor. I was young, I was watching a play, and I was experiencing it. I was going, I want to be able to do that. I want to be able to, to be able to...
To what?
To pass that on.
To influence.
Yes.
I want to be able to hold myself in a role so convincingly, because I have no split energy about it, that anyone who's observing it believes what I am expressing. So you all get to write your own script, and you all get to decide what roles you want to play. We know you're talking about the specific craft of acting, but let's apply that to your own life experiences. You get to write the script, and you get to cast the characters, and you get to be the lead character, and you get to decide how you intend to feel, and you get to define your own point of attraction, which means you get to live your life exactly as you intend to live it. That's everything that we've been talking about here. That's what deliberate creating is. If we were standing in your physical shoes and we were an actor, we'd be writing the script of the successful actor that we are wanting to be. The one that gets to choose his own roles, the one that gets to define what kind of projects he works on, who gets to define how much money he makes and how much time he spends. We'd write that script about that, and we would own that, and then we would offer such influence about that everyone in the industry would just know that's who you are. They would have to dovetail with you about that. Or you could play their game, which is not nearly as much fun.
Absolutely not. So now my question is, in regards to that, in life, walking around, we can't necessarily control what other people do, and so the confusion sometimes comes as to if I am thinking and I'm aware that my reality is of my own making.
If you're trying to figure out what they're thinking of you, then you're introducing into your reality of your own making what you think they're thinking. So why not think something that is beneficial to you?
Got it.
You're writing the script, so why don't you write the script the way it will positively impact your experience?
It's like what the other gentleman said about the little sand becoming a pearl, and then basically everything is happening for your own good at all times.
Well, everything always is, but that was where that question came from. Well, do I just sit back and wait for things to happen, or do I encourage it along with a little bit more deliberateness? And in this conversation, we're talking about encouraging it along with a little more deliberateness.